Like everyone else we knew, my wife and I were caught up in the rat race. We would get up when it was dark. We had long hours. We'd come home when it was dark. And, we'd try to meet up for an hour of quality time each day if we were lucky. And we did that for, most of our adult lives. That was life. Traffic, smog, stress. And it was so expensive. And every day it was the same. Rinse and repeat. One day we just had a wake-up call, We decided that it was time to hit the pause button. Sold my business, we sold our house. We headed for New Brunswick. We live by the ocean now, and probably one of the most affordable places to live in Canada. And we have fresh air, we have clean living, low traffic, and suddenly we had time for each other again. Real estate wasn't just a lifelong calling for me. I sincerely wanted to help people from other provinces find what my wife and I have found here. And yeah, sure, it's a big step, but it's right here for the taking. Just have to step up and grab it.